Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Naya. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you the tips and tricks when you applying the lashes, girl. Okay, so this is one set of lashes that I usually wear. Like, this is my going out lashes. Okay, they're from Jasklyn Lashes. This one is bad, but girl, these lashes is $25. Okay, so I only wear it when I go out, because ain't nobody gonna be spending $25 on lashes. Like, no. But it's really cute, see? Okay, and then these, what I'm gonna use today for the video is these regular, I think these are the most popular brand lashes that everybody like wears as an everyday lash. Like for me, I wear these every day when I'm in the mood, but I wore these already, that's why they're dangling all over the place. But these was like $2.99, I think, and from the beauty supply store. You can get these at any beauty supply store. So when you first get it, you might have to cut it like in the corner of it, because it comes long. Like for me, it comes long. This one is called So Wispy. For me, it comes long, so I have to cut it. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do first. So usually if I'm not in a rush, I apply mascara first on my lash. And this video is specifically for Uriel, because she asked me for this for the longest. So girl, I got you, girl. Alright, so I already have mascara on, so this is just like, I'm just doing it to show you what I do. Okay, and then this is the glue that I use. It's I don't even know if you can see it. Can you? A little bit, but this is called Superflex. It's a glue in a tube basically. You got the brush, and I like this better because girl, the next one is so messy. Like I get mess everywhere with the other one that you squeeze. I think it's called Eye Envy. So I just use this one, and I like this one because it has the, you know, they're sticky. But I think any lash glue I think works fine, as long as it has this, because I think it's easier to apply it. But okay, this is what we're gonna do. You take it, I dropped the lash glue. This is the lash glue. Alright, the lash glue is probably like $3 too. So the lashes is $3 and the lash glue is $3. I don't think it matters what brand, but this brand is called Superflex. Alright, so I take this and then just apply it across. Just apply it across. I'm sorry if I'm chewing gum and it's looking ghetto, because I just need gum sometimes. I like gum. I should have spit it out, but oh well. It's not that serious. It's gum. Alright, so this is a tweezer. So let me try to zoom in a little bit. So put your head back. Look down in a mirror if you can. Do the corners. And squeeze. This you gotta really be careful. You don't want to stick your eye. Like I just almost did. Okay, and this is it. And just after I applied them, look down, get the down effect. Okay. I really don't like this one, but whatever. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.